Hello and very warm welcome to RAFLIMTS. This is Swaroop Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn two additional parameters of Koha library system and an important tool. By additional parameters, I mean some administrative setting and you know very well Koha tools. So let's start this video. Here I have installed Koha 23.11 on Ubuntu 22.04, and this is the staff interface, and from staff interface I have to enter in Koha administration, and in Koha administration we have some additional parameters. We have already discussed Koha administration in quite details, and there's a video available on my channel if you want to watch. If you want to learn, so you can watch that video with the old version and with the new version as well. So here in additional parameters you can see did you mean, and this video is especially to highlight two important tools here. I mean two additional parameters of Koha library system here. Did you mean is actually provide you the plugging or the spell check through the Libris spell check API, and also exploded terms by patrons expand their searches include, and also authority files. So you need to save configuration, and then on OPAC, if your patron may search wrong spelling, for example education, this is the right spelling, and if let's suppose they search a wrong spelling, the system, the OPAC may search, suggest them the right spelling. So there's no result found, and you can see education. Did you mean education? See, let us search another term here, for example park. So I just skip one I here, I here, and Pakistan. So it may search the right spelling. Sorry, my catalog already has some wrong spelling here. So, but you can see it has suggest the right spelling. Okay. Anyways, so this is one of the tool that you can plug with your Koha library system through the Koha administration, and Libris spell check is also available, and your authority file. So it will actually suggest the correct spelling from your authority file and Libris system, and also you can add the user expanded versions. Okay, another important additional parameter is table settings. If you want to hide or you want to display any of the column throughout the Koha library system from the default tables, so you can, and you can use this administrative setting or additional parameter there. For example, in administration, in currency, maybe you have seen this, you want to hide symbol, you want to hide ISO code. Let me show you in Koha administration in another tab. So let me open my Koha staff interface in administration. Maybe you have seen this currency and exchange rates, and there you can see it has symbols and it has ISO code, so you can actually hide the symbol and ISO code, for example save. And this okay, so Let's see. Let me refresh this. Now there's no symbol column and there's no ISO code required to work on this. And this way you can hide unwanted columns throughout your Koha system. Okay, for example, on Koha OPAC, we want to display the barcode. Let me show you the result of this book. Not this one. It has no item. Let us search any other book. For example, education. Let's suppose this book. And there you can see the book has this holding details and it has no barcode number. And if you want to display barcode to your patrons, so you can actually do this. Here in OPAC, in holdings, you can see barcode is already checked, so you can uncheck and then you can save this from the OPAC, or you want to hide any other column, so you can easily hide. Now let me refresh this. So then it will display the barcode number as well. See, the barcode is now available. Okay. So this way you can hide or display any of the column throughout the Koha library system, not only on OPAC but also on all the modules. Hello, this is Farooq Hussain. I have a good news. If you or your organization looking for expert deployment and training of any open source integrated library system, digital library system, institutional repositories, discovery and guided tools, standards and protocols, so you can connect me through my Fiverr account. It's fiverr.com/Farooq Hussain. fiverr.com /FURRUKHHUSSAIN, or you can directly connect me through my email address. It's farooq.hussain@gmail.com. So you will receive a 20% discount if you directly connect me through my email address. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste your time. Connect me now through Fiverr or my email address if you need an expert. And now we are going to discuss an important tool that can be used to create multiple web pages along with Koha OPAC and staff interface. And we can also use that tool to create how-to guide or LibGuide with the Koha OPAC and the staff interface. So let us go to tools option. Here. And at tool we have this pages, so you can write custom pages along with Koha OPAC and the staff interface. That's an amazing feature. Okay, and it will work like similar like the OPAC JS or user CSS pages, but this is quite create an additional page. So you can use that page as a web page, you can use that page as LibGuide or as subject guide or how to guide or whatever you want to. Okay, let me use new entry here. and we need to provide the display location. Either we want to display on staff uh, interface or with the OPAC. So let us display with both. And the publication date, one day before. You can add the title here. You can write whatever you want to write here as the, for example, library rules and regulation as a separate page. So I have, and you can use chat gpt or any other AI tool to generate content for this, or you can write your own, and you can add emojis, you can add image here, you can add link here, and then you can even write the source code here. So I have generated few one of the source code for library rules and regulation through the chat gpt. And if you want to learn how we can use chat gpt, so there are a number of videos available on my channel, so I'll give the link in the description of this video. But it's quite simple. You just need to write create a libguide for Koha OPAC on that topic or whatever, or just write the library rules and regulations. So I just add the source code here. In fact, you can write this in simple way. You can see heading 1, heading 2, or you can use bullets, you can use numbers, you can add image, some if you have any image you can add some image here, or even you can take emojis from the emojis, like a book, for example. So we can add emojis. If you have any source, like you can add some picture as well, or you want to add some link here, so you can add link here. Okay. Okay, and you can save this. And now this will open for OPAC and a staff interface as well. So let us open the staff interface first in a new tab, and then OPAC. See, this is what we have at through the page, and it's a separate page. You can see the ID here. It's page ID 9. So you can use this to staff interface as well. And this one is for OPAC. Okay, this is because we need to omit the port here. See, you can use this page separately on your website, or you can give the link or any other place you want to use this, a part of your Koha system, I mean OPAC system. For example, this is your OPAC. The OPAC is quite separate. You can design this as per your need, and you can also add some additional pages. You can add some how-to guide, for example, how to search catalog. Okay. So I use some HTML and CSS through the chat GPT again, and then I have created a new, actually, how to guide. This is one page. It's page ID 9. You can see on OPAC as well. So you need to provide this link separately, or you can actually give the link in the navigation bar on your OPAC. So if you want to learn how to design OPAC, so you can have the video in my description. I mean, in the description of this video, there are a number of videos available on how to design OPAC. But this is actually an exciting feature where we can add the LibGuide, we can add the how-to guide, we can add the web pages on along with Koha OPAC and the staff interface. Okay, so there I just use OPAC and a date before, and this guide is about how to search Koha OPAC. So I just write this script, though that I have created through the chat GPT, and you can easily create this through the chat GPT. Now save this, you will see. And save. Now you can see this OPAC. When I click here, it will open the OPAC with the port, whereas I don't use port for OPAC. Now you can see this is page ID 10 here. This page ID is 9, and you can create multiple pages on, along with Koha OPAC and staff interface. And this is your OPAC. The main OPAC is here. And this is one how-to guide, how to search Koha library OPAC for students. Or whatever the title, you can actually edit this. It's not so hard. You can edit here. Whatever you want to change, you can edit. See, it's still loading. It's actually localhost system, so it might take time to load pictures or links maybe. See, this is how to search Koha library OPAC, or you can just write how to search library catalog. Open your web browser and navigate to the Koha OPAC URL through provided by your library. There's a URL available. Search bar. So when you click on the URL, it will redirect you to the Koha OPAC page. This is the OPAC page. Now back here, enter the search term. So the search bar, it will redirect you to advanced search, and there's a search result. For example, view search result, for example. So you can add link, you can add multiple pictures, you can add emojis, or as you like to design, you can. And in 5 easy steps, you are telling that how to search the catalog. Okay, this is what you can design on through the chat GPT, or you can even use this editor. This is quite effective editor. You can use the color bar, for example. You can change the color, you can change this color. Let me change the color to white, this color to white. And instead of Koha library catalog, I just write library catalog. And we can save this. Page ID is 10, and this way we can create multiple pages here on along with Koha OPAC. Okay, it's taking long. This page ID is 9, this page ID is 10, and we can create 11, 12 as much as we need. Ooh. Now we can refresh this. See, it has changed. Okay. Okay, so it will take long to load completely with the links. And thank you very much for watching RAFLIMTS. This is Farooq Hussain, and keep watching RAFLIMTS, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Hello, this is Farooq Hussain. I have a good news. If you or your organization looking for expert deployment and training of any open source integrated library system, digital library system, institutional repositories, discovery and guided tools, standards and protocols, so you can connect me through my Fiverr account. It's fiverr.com/Farooq Hussain. fiverr.com /FURRUKHHUSSAIN, or you can directly connect me through my email address. It's farooq.hussain@gmail.com. So you will receive a 20% discount if you directly connect me through my email address. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste your time. Connect me now through Fiverr or my email address if you need an expert.